In the depths of the financial jungle, a war is raging. We've had enough. No more minimum payments. No more interest traps. This isn't just a battle, it's a full-blown war on debt. Envelope budgeting, grenade. Use an envelope for each goal you have. Put money in each envelope every payday until you reach your goal. Pull the pin. Throw the envelope at your goal. Kaboom! You made it. The debt snowball technique. Just like a boxer using one jab at a time, use this technique to pay one bill off at a time until they are all gone. Start with the smallest bill and work your way up. Still can't make it financially? Do a side hustle. Cut unnecessary spending. Sell baking from your house. Make ebooks to sell online. Run a karaoke company from your house. You can do it. We don't fear debt, we crush it. Join the resistance. Join life on a ledger. The jungle's changing. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.